Good morning, dear students. In continuation of the thyroid gland, the introduction, regulation, secretion, synthesis, steps of synthesis was very important. Now we go forward is the applied aspect of the thyroid gland. There are two main conditions. One is the hyperthyroidism and other one is the hypothyroidism. What is hyperthyroidism? Hyperthyroidism is a condition occurs due to the hypersecretion of thyroid hormone by the thyroid gland. There are two main causes: primary hypothyroidism, there is a pathology in thyroid gland, and secondary hypothyroidism, there is a pathology maybe outside the thyroid gland. In primary hypothyroidism, there is a tumor, benign tumor of the thyroid that we call adenoma of thyroid, multinodular goiter. There is a enlargement of the thyroid gland or follicular cells, metastatic carcinoma, cancer of the thyroid gland, Graves' disease, activating mutation of the thyroid hormone receptors, and iodine excess condition. That condition we call George-Wesdow phenomena. And the causes of secondary hypothyroidism are the pituitary causes, where the anterior pituitary secretes more the TSH hormone, which go and act on thyroid follicle and increase the secretion of thyroid hormone T3 and T4. While the extra thyroidal cause or there's a causes at hypothalamus level, excess administration of the thyroid hormone iatrogenic, tumor of the ectopic thyroid tissues like lingual thyroid, SCG secreting tumors like choriocarcinoma. SCG secreted through the placental gland, placenta, and their tumor may also cause this. And also another causes at hypothalamus level. Hypothalamus secretes more the thyroid releasing hormone, which act on the thyrotropic of the anterior pituitary and which secrete more and more TSH hormone. TSH stimulate the thyroid gland so that more and more thyroid hormone is secreted, and that condition we call hyperthyroidism. What are the sign and symptom of the thyrotoxicosis? Thyrotoxicosis means hyperthyroidism condition. So hyperactivity, irritability, dysphoria. Dysphoria means increased sweating, heat intolerance, sweating increased, palpitation increased, feeling sensation of the heart sound or pulse apex, feel karna, palpitation, fatigue and weakness, weight loss, increased appetite, diarrhea, increased frequency of stool, and oligomenorrhea. These are the symptoms usually present in the hyperthyroidism patients, those having a high level of the thyroid hormone. And the signs are tachycardia, increased heart rate, atrial fibrillation, tremors, fine tremors. We can like this. Hands are moving. Very fine condition that can call fine tremors. Goiter, enlargement of the thyroid gland is goiter. Warm and moist skin. वार्म स्किन रहेगी and moist रहेगी. moist क्यों? वार्म होने के कारण स्वेटिंग हो जाएगी तो moist रहेगी. Muscle weakness, proximal myopathies, lid retraction or leg gynecomastia. There is the enlargement of the breast tissue. So these are the signs and symptoms of the hyperthyroidism condition. Here you can say there is an exophthalmos, there is a lean and thin lady, there is an enlargement of the thyroid tissue. So how we can diagnose the hyperthyroidism condition? By the estimation of different hormone level, T3 level, T4 level, TSH level. If T3, T4 level are high, hyperthyroidism, and TSH must be low. Primary hyperthyroidism, T3, T4 high and TSH low. While in secondary hyperthyroidism, due to the pituitary cause, TSH is high along with high T3, T4. Pituitary cause में TSH भी high रहेगा. What is the treatment? Anti-thyroid drugs are the mainstay of treatment. They usually inhibit the iodide trapping mechanism or binding of iodide with the tyrosine molecule. तो the synthesis के जो steps हैं उन पे act करेगी anti-thyroid drugs and they do not allow to synthesize the thyroid hormone. So the level of the thyroid hormone decreases, that causing the control of the sign and symptom of the hyperthyroidism. Anti-thyroid drugs are ionamides, anions, high dose of the iodide, non-specific beta blockers, and radioiodine are usually used for treatment of hyperthyroidism. There are special states of the hyperthyroidism. One is thyrotoxicosis. It is not synonymous with the hyperthyroidism. It is a state of thyroid hormone excess. इसमें क्या रहता है? Thyroid hormone excess रहता है that occurs due to the severe hyperthyroidism, as seen in Graves' disease, toxic multinodular goiter, toxic adenoma. This can occur also without hyperthyroidism, as seen in thyroiditis or due to the excess administration of the thyroid hormone. If we give extra thyroid hormone to some person, then this condition can occur. Next is the Graves' disease. Graves' disease, this can be asked on short notes. So be prepared for short note or short answer question. Diffuse enlargement of thyroid gland associated with the exophthalmos. If there is an enlargement of the thyroid gland with the exophthalmos, that condition we call Graves' disease. This is an autoimmune disease that occurs due to the development of autoantibodies against the TSH receptors. TSH जो receptor है, जहाँ TSH जाके काम करेगा, वहीं पर mutation हो जाता है, autoantibodies बन जाती हैं. Therefore, thyroid gland becomes hypertrophied and hyperactive. TSH का ज़्यादा है, level ज़्यादा है, पर काम नहीं कर पा रहा. There is a marked stimulation of secretion thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone T3, T4 बहुत ज़्यादा secrete होगा, and their level will be high. TSH level is a low, as excess thyroid hormone inhibit the TSH secretion. TSH का level low हो जाएगा, क्योंकि thyroid hormone यदि ज़्यादा है तो वो negative feedback mechanism से TSH का secretion कम कर देंगे. Exophthalmos occurs due to the swelling of extraocular muscles and proliferation of connective tissue in the bony wall of orbit that pushes the eyeball forward. The disease is treated with the anti-thyroid drugs like radioactive iodine 131 and also by decreasing the thyroid hormone synthesis by reducing the amount of thyroid. By subtotal thyroidectomy करके भी हम इस disease को थोड़ा sign symptom कम कर सकते हैं. Thyroid storm is another condition. A patient suffering from hyperthyroidism becomes suddenly extremely ill with feature like high fever आ जाएगा, profound tachycardia, restlessness, and sometimes circulatory shock may be seen. This condition we call thyroid storm. It usually develops when a hyperthyroidism patient undergoes major surgery or experiences a major trauma or illness. Then patient may go in the thyroid storm condition. This is a medical emergency that requires immediate fluid replacement therapy and steroid therapy with the anti-thyroid drugs that control the thyroid storm. Next aspect is a hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism in adult we call mixed edema. The causes are primary causes, secondary causes. Primary causes may autoimmune disease, Hashimoto thyroiditis, that goiter, atrophic thyroiditis, iatrogenic. If we give extra 131 radioactive iodine treatment for some other diseases, then hypothyroidism may be seen. If we have done the surgery for thyroid surgery, drugs, iodine excess, we given anti-thyroid drugs, we given in extra dosage that produces the hypothyroidism. Congenitally, there is a tissue will be less. Diffuse non-toxic goiter, iodine deficiency हो सकता है endemic goiter में, and environmental. This is the major cause for hypothyroidism, iodine deficiency. But nowadays, because of the additional adding of the iodine in the salt itself, reducing the hypothyroidism condition. Other causes are secondary hypothyroidism. due to the hypopituitarism. If the thyrotrope cells of the anterior pituitary are not secreting the TSH hormone, then also the T3, T4 secretion will be less. Hypothalamic diseases. If hypothalamic disease is not allowed to secrete the thyroid releasing hormone, so not stimulating the thyrotrope cells of the anterior pituitary, so not secreting the TSH hormone. So it is not acting on the thyroid gland, so T3, T4 level will be low, and that condition we call hypothyroidism. Signs and symptoms are almost opposite symptoms. We can see weakness and tiredness, dry skin, feeling of cold, feeling of warmth, hair loss, difficulty concentration, poor, constipation may be seen. These are the main. Feeling cold, constipation, weight gain and poor appetite, dyspnea, hoarse voice. These are the main features of the tiredness and weakness, or the main features of the hypothyroidism. While the symptoms are dry skin, cool extremities, puffy face and hands. This is eczema. Diffuse alopecia, bradycardia, peripheral edema, delayed tendon reflex is an important test for knowing the hypothyroidism. Carpal tunnel syndrome. So these are the some signs which are present in the hypothyroidism patient. Here you can say there is a puffiness of the eyes, or full face. There is a thyroid enlargement, tissue enlargement, and puffy face, weight gain, poor appetite. You can see with this. So how we can diagnose? Primary hypothyroidism can be diagnosed by the T3, T4 level, which is low, and TSH level will be high because of the feedback mechanism. In hypopituitary condition or hypothalamic condition, TSH is low because it is not coming from up, and the T3, T4 level is also low. In TSH, response to TRH is usually normal in hypothalamic hypothyroidism patient, where it is increased in hypothyroidism caused by thyroid disease. This is the major difference between the making the diagnosis. Treatment of hypothyroidism is the main treatment is thyroid hormone replacement is the mainstay of the treatment. We give the thyroid hormone by the dose of T4 hormone by the dose of 10 to 15 microgram per kg per day. तो इसकी टैबलेट आती है, एक 25 की आती है, 30 माइक्रोग्राम की एक टैबलेट आती है. यूजुअली स्टार्टिंग में हम जब कम होता है तो 25 की टैबलेट चालू करते हैं, फिर यदि इम्प्रूव नहीं होता 3 महीने बाद टेस्ट करते हैं तो 50 माइक्रोग्राम की टैबलेट ओडी चालू करते हैं दिन में एक बार. और यदि 50 से भी कंट्रोल नहीं होता है तो 75 देते हैं. और वेरी हाई हाइपोथायराइडिज्म देन वी कैन यूज 100 वाली यूज करते हैं. तो स्टार्टिंग विद 50, 25 की टैबलेट से शुरू करते हैं, 50 दे सकते हैं, 75. Hashimoto thyroiditis in a chronic form of autoimmune thyroiditis where the antibodies form against the thyroglobulin and thyroid peroxidase hormone. Peroxidase enzyme जो थायराइड हार्मोन सिंथेसिस में जो थायरोग्लोबुलिन है उसके अगेंस्ट या थायराइड पेरोक्सिडेज एंजाइम के अगेंस्ट यदि एंटीबॉडी बन जाती है और थायराइड हार्मोन का सिंथेसिस नहीं होता है और हाइपोथायराइडिज्म होती है, तो इस कंडीशन को हम हाशिमोटो थायराइडिटिस कहते हैं. This can be diagnosed by the FNAC, which can demonstrate the Hurther cells with the lymphoid infiltrate. Next, if hypothyroidism in children, we call cretinism. Hypothyroidism developed from or before the birth, the patient called cretins. Hypothyroidism developed before or at the time of birth, we call cretinism. Causes are maternal iodine deficiency during pregnancy. Pregnancy में समय उन्होंने salt नहीं खाया हो, iodized salt नहीं खाया हो. Mal development of the thyroid gland during fetal life. Fetal life में develop अच्छे से नहीं हो पाई हो fetal thyroid gland. Inborn inners of thyroid hormone. Thyroid के हार्मोन में synthesis में कुछ गड़बड़ आई हो. Antithyroid drugs in mother that crosses the placenta and enters the circulation. माँ यदि एंटी थायराइड ड्रग खा रही होगी और वो प्लासेंटा के थ्रू बच्चे में चले गया तो भी हाइपोथायराइडिज्म डेवलप होगी. हाइपोथायराइडिज्म इन फीटल लाइफ आर यूजुअली कॉजेज द क्रेटिनिज्म. यदि फीटल लाइफ में हो गया तो वो क्रेटिनिज्म कर देगा, बिकॉज थायराइड हार्मोन having a essential role for development of the brain and intellectuals of the individuals in the very fetal life and early month of the infant. The treatment sign symptom we can see here in the child cretinism. There is a protruded tongue. There is a dwarf baby. Length is less. Mentally retarded. They have a pot belly. We can see pot belly and protrusion of tongue. Pot belly and protrusion of tongue is the main features of the cretinism baby. And rough skin, we can say pot belly, constipation we can represent, and baby is dwarf and mentally retarded. These are the main features of the cretinism. What is the treatment? Treatment, hypothyroidism is an important cause of mental retardation which can be prevented if the disease is diagnosed and treated immediately after birth. So if hypothyroidism mother hai, दवाइयों पर है, we immediately take the blood sample of the newborn baby to do the T3T4 level, and after the 7 days we do the T3T4 level, TSH level. If any level is suggestive of hypothyroidism, we start treatment immediately. Or if they are normal, then we look for the signs and symptoms and repeat the blood test after 1 month. Again it is normal, then we do not start the thyroxine hormone. If there is low, T3 T4 level is low, then we have to start thyroid hormone replacement immediately to prevent the mental retardation. And now what is the thyroid function test? Thyroid function tests are included the measurement of hormones in plasma, estimation of TSH level, measurement of binding proteins, thyroid releasing hormone response test, iodine uptake test, thyroid scanning, detection of the thyroid antibodies, and determination of the cholesterol level in the blood. These are the some specific tests which can be done for assessment of the thyroid function. So isotopic test and non-isotopic test. Isotopic estimation of T3 T4, estimation of free T3 T4, thyroid releasing hormone stimulation, thyroid scan, iodine uptake studies, and stimulation suppression studies. And non-isotopic demonstration of thyroid autoantibodies, imaging of the neck, अल्ट्रासाउंड कर सकते हैं थायराइड का, सीटी स्कैन कर सकते हैं, एमआरआई कर सकते हैं, उसमें थायराइड ग्लैंड दिखेगी, एफएनएसी कर सकते हैं और ओपन बायोप्सी कर सकते हैं टू नो द condition of the thyroid tissue. Is the adenoma or is a tumor or other condition. Achilles tendon reflex is decreased. Relaxation time of Achilles is an important clinical assessment to suspect the hypothyroidism. So in hypothyroidism, patient always try to do a Achilles tendon reflex. Achilles tendon reflex is a tendon reflex that can be done at the ankle level. Ankle level पे reflex को initiate करते हैं तो Achilles tendon reflex बोलते हैं. Thank you.